Where else can you guys go to get gas and gamble at the same time? What do we play here? Fortune cookie? Alright, looks like we dug our first hole, we got a nickel. Alright, we dug our second hole, we got a piece of foil. Yeah, we dug our third hole. I guess that was a pencil top eraser. Oh, next hole. Looks like we got another pencil eraser. Yeah, it looks like we got a penny. Looks like we got another penny. Oh, we're getting hot. Looks like we found ourselves a dime. Next hole. Another penny. A crusty zinkin. Oh, dude. Another piece of foil. Looks like another piece of foil. Oh, can slaw. Oh, nice. We found ourselves a quarter. Another piece of can slaw. Ooh, man, you got yourself a coin spill. Looks like you got yourself a quarter, a nickel, and a dime. Oh, you crapped out, man. Another foil. Another piece of can slaw. Hey, you got yourself a quarter. Oh my god, look what you found, dude. We hit it. We got ourselves a piece of silver. We won a piece of silver. There you go. That's the correlation of metal detecting versus gambling. You go out there and you dig a bunch of crap. Eventually, with persistence, you land yourself some cash. Not bad. I put in $5 to make 10. Sweet. Yeah. What's up, guys? So that's my video. Like, what does slot machines have with metal detecting? Well, there you have it, man. They're both very similar. I mean, you ante up some money and you hit the button and you crap out, right? Similar to digging a hole and you look inside of it, you got a piece of foil, you're crapped out. You dig another hole, you find a pencil eraser. And I hit the bet button on the slot machine, and the next one might give me 2 something, which is like getting half of my bet back, right? And then you might dig a hole and you find a quarter. It's like, hey, I got my whole bet back. And then at the very end there, as you saw, I hit the 4 things right across and got double my start money. So I just went into a gas station and threw $5 in. And just within a few hands, I got all my startup money back, plus I got an additional 5, so I walked out of there with 10. It's just knowing when to walk away, okay? So very similar when I go metal detecting, I'm digging a hole in the ground, and then, you know, sometimes I'll find a nickel, sometimes I'll find a quarter, sometimes I'll find a gem. You know what I mean? It's, to me, it's almost just like gambling. But when you gamble at a slot machine, you got to ante up for each hand, and when you're at the park, you don't have to ante up for nothing. But I could imagine if there was like a landscaper, a groundskeeper, he'd follow you around in a golf cart, and you pick a signal, and then you find a signal that you like. You got to pay him 25 cents, and you dig the hole and you open it up, and hopefully you find something that's worth 25 cents. But thankfully it's not that way. And also at the very end of it, when you come to the end of gambling, if you don't know when to quit and you have a problem, they have these little teeny things here. It's called When the Fun Stops. It's kind of like a brochure that you are supposed to read when you have a gambling addiction. And I remember when I was in high school, I had actually freshman year of college, I have my 3 friends from my old neighborhood, Mark and Caesar. So it's me, Mark, and Caesar, and Mark, he's a bartender, and when he gets off of work, man, he just goes to the other side of the bar and he takes all of his tip money and he gambles it all back. And we went to go visit him, and Caesar goes, hey, Joey, give this to Mark, man, give it to Mark. I'm like, why? He goes, dude, Mark lost his whole paycheck, man, just go give it to him. So I went over there, hey Mark, man, you want this, bro? He goes, man, get that thing out of here, man, get the hell out of here. Shit ain't funny. But at the end of the day, when the fun stops, when you metal detect, what happens? You put your detector in the car, and then you stop by Taco Bell on the way home, right? Come back to the house, man, throw on the game, and watch some football. But anyways, guys, thank you again for watching another episode of Vegas Detect. Hope you got a little bit of fun and entertainment out of it. It's Joey again. Please like, subscribe, and endorse. With a comment, thumbs down, thumbs up, whatever. And I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys take it easy.